Okay, Jairil, nandiyan pa ba? Nawala na si Jairil, nahiya. Sinong who would like to volunteer sa prayer? Yung may camera. Ito na lang, Trixie Miles Cruz. Can you lead the prayer, Trixie? May camera ka, Trixie? Miles? We start with the prayer lang muna. Adamson prayer lang, guys.
Maayos yun, sir.
Yung camera mo. Paano kung nag-online sa ibang class, wala talaga yung camera?
Sir, wala
Sa ibang class nyo, wala hindi record ang camera?
Okay lang po.
Okay, Okay, but you don't have a camera?
Start ko na po yung prayer.
So we can see you. Ikaw ang leader sa prayer. Eh.
So malakas po kasi yung ulan sir.
Ayun, may camera na si Trixie. Okay, go, Trixie. Medyo parang dilim sa lugar mo.
Okay na po, sir.
Oh, pero hindi gumagalaw ang camera. Walang movement. Mabagal ata sa lugar mo, no? Sige, choppy ang dating mo eh. Sino pa ba pwede? Wala na marinig. Hindi ko na marinig si Trixie. Otelo, ikaw nila Otelo. Otelo or Oritog Rosa? Toreg Rosa, tama. Otelo, can you lead the prayer? May camera ka?
Ako na po ba? Ay.
May camera ka, ikaw na lang mag-lead sa prayer. Mahina yung signal ngayon eh. Yan. Trixie, si Otelo na lang ha mag-lead. Okay, hindi kita marinig eh, Trixie.
Dear Lord, teach me the things that are important, to be generous with your gifts, compassionate to those who are less, just in the face of unfair circumstances, true when the world's values contradict my own, gracious when things don't go my way, and magnanimous when they do. May nothing else matter, except faith in your goodness, my neighbors and mine. Hope that things can get better, and charity that always sets things right. Your special love for the poor, the mark of my uniquely Vicentian education, be the work I excel in, the standard I constantly refer to, and my courage when I meet you someday. O Mary conceived without sin, pray for us without recourse to thee. Saint Vincent de Paul, pray for us. Amen. Father and Son, Holy Spirit. Amen.
Thank you, Otelo. Okay, so kamusta kayo guys? After prelims, okay naman? Wala pong papaksak sa inyo? Saka mamaya pa magsisimula mag-check ha. So, I think wala naman sigurong papaksak sa inyo. Basta submit lang kayo ng plates. And be honest lang in submission ng plates ha. Yung wag kokopya ng mga plates ng iba. Yung drawings ng iba ha. Okay, so our topic today is about title block. So again, every discipline, basta technical, may drawings, civil engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication, ano pa ba, mechanical, especially mechanical, we have to make title block, no? So in my case, ako is architect. So again, we have title blocks for, before ang size ng paper is 20 by 30. Now, meron ng mga A1 and meron ng mga ang A0. I'll show you now. Ha? Okay, hold on. Lahat ba kayo first year or ibang year yung iba sa inyo, no?
Second year po kami. Ako po.
Okay, so nagdo-drawing na kayo, may drawing subject na kayo, ito lang.
Wala po.
Ito lang.
Ito lang
Wala
po.
kayong po.
Ito lang po.
Ito lang so far. Okay, I'll start sharing na, guys. Very important kasi drawing eh. It's our way of communication. No? Again, kung mahina kayo sa drawing or mahina kayo sa CAD, ayun yung subject ko, paano tayo mag-communicate? Kasi iba-iba tayong disciplines. Many people are, kasi in construction or in technical field, we communicate through words saka drawings. No, yun ang ano natin. So, kaya subject sa amin is we have visual communication 1, 2, 3, 4. Hanggang 4, visual communication. And then we have design subjects. Puro drawings yun. Ang RT is talaga almost drawings talaga halos lahat eh. In your case, wala kayong manual drawing. Ano, yun ang ano ko sa ano eh. Curriculum na engineering, binawasan yung years nyo, pero yung nga, natanggal yung manual drawing. Manual drawing is very important. Okay, I'll start sharing na the screen. My screen. Guys, ngayon, ang plates nyo, plate number ano na pa tayo? 3? What number na ba plate natin? So this will be your plate. No, this will be your submission next week, 1 week. Can you now see my screen? Hindi pa. Please confirm, can you see my screen?
Wala pa po, sir.
Nakita na po, sir.
Dito na po.
Meron na? Yung A1, A0. These are the sizes of papers. No? Ano na siya? ISO na. When you say ISO, international standard na siya. Before, may mga letter size. What else? Letter size saka yung legal size. Now, yung letter size naging A4 na. Pero yung legal, nandiyan pa rin yung legal size. It's for legal purposes. And in technical drawings, we have to use this one na. No? So, ang biggest size of paper, tracing paper, or technical paper is A0. This one usually is for malalaking drawings, yung mga site development plan, lalo na sa civil engineering. Usually, your drawings is ganitong size, A0. In architectural, we also use this size for big projects like yung mga mall, yung mga big development, mixed-use development. And sa site, when you have a big site, we need A0 size. No, kasi medyo mahal din na magpa-blueprint. So, again, actually, same price din pala, nag-duplicate lang ano. Anyway, yung marami kasing iniwasan namin yung maraming sheet of paper na mahirap yun eh. So, A0 is yung biggest size. Ang size niya is 841 by 1189. Okay, guys? Then yung next, yung half ng A0 is A1, which is 594, 841. Na hinati lang yung 1189. Get you? Can you follow, guys? Clear naman to siguro na meron na kayong ganito before. So, always half-half lagi. No? A0, you have 2A1 size. So, na divided into 2. Yung A0 is A1. Divide A1 into 2 papers, that will be A2. No? And divide A2 into 2 paper, that will be A3. And then yung usually we use is A4 is 2 times ng 2 times of A4 is A3 na. Okay, guys? So ganun lang Okay, what else? And then I'll show you yung building code, Philippine building code. Kasi we're doing title block. What is the standard? Philippine standard for title blocks. Siyempre, we need to have a standard or to follow. So So it's indicated on the Philippine National Building Code. Luma-luma na to, hindi masyado na-update, but still, we have to follow this one. Mataas yung sunscreen ko eh. Sorry guys. Hirapan din ako. Okay, this is title block. Let's do number 4. Okay, where is the phone? Nandito naman pala. So, same it's just the same, ano? Siyempre, ang gagawin natin today is A1 size lang. Kasi, ito yung normal size talaga for technical drawing. Special na itong A0. I'll show you yung building code. Where is the building code? National Building Code. NBC. Makita. So wala dito. This one is an example of architectural drawing, no? Just an example lang. So this one, ang size nito is 20 by 30. Before hindi pa uso yung mga A1, A2, A3. So ang standard paper before that we use is 20 inches by 30 inches, no? This is the length is 30 inches, then the width is 20 inches. So this is the floor plan of a house. So isa sa mga project ko. Hindi ko makita is yung Philippine Building Code. Where is that one? Philippine Building Code. Pasensya na guys, saglit lang ha. Hindi ko makita. Building code. Here, building code. Okay. Ang dami. Philippine Building Code. Ito. Okay, this one, implementing rules and regulations. This one, building code, you can download in DPWH. No, yung latest copy na sa DPWH. Just look for the title block ha, guys. I-upload ko to sa, or medyo malaki na, yung title block lang, part ng title block, I will upload. So again, we need to have a title block on the drawings, on our drawings, to show your name, syempre, and the project name, location of project, the engineer or architect's name and yung license number niya, and then yung tax professional tax niya. What else? IPOA number, and so on. And then yung owner, syempre we need to indicate yung owner, name ng owner, and then yung project name. What else? Yung address of the owner and address of the project. It's all indicated there. And then we need to show yung lahat ng disciplines involved. So if architectural, ang magsasign dito is, of course, is architectural. Yung civil, guys, please do not sign on architectural ha. You are actually not allowed. Huwag nang makipagtalo kasi is architectural, it's architectural. No? Civil is civil. Hanapin ko lang yung mga... this one is the title block. Okay, guys? So for the cover page, usually, ito yung cover page, yung pinakaunang sheet, cover page. Say we are building a house or a building. So we need to show the perspective, the site depth. This is architectural, no? And then location plan. So again, ang title block, we will follow this standard, guys. These are the margins, no? Yung length of paper, depending on the size of paper that we will use. So say we will use 20 by 30 inches. But, or yung A1 size, we can use that one. But yung margin, the margin, you should maintain the margins, no? It is 45 mm or 2 inches, close to 2 inches na siya. And then this here is 1 inch. 1 inch dito, yung right margin or yung left side margin is 1.5 inch. No, 1.5 inch. Then 25 sa right side margin, right hand side paper, 25, 1 inch. And then dito rin sa baba, bottom margin is 25. Can you follow, guys? Clear ba? So this is our activity for today, ano? And then we have 40 for the bar. No, title block. Okay. And then here on the right side, we also need, this is example for this is for a building project or housing project. Because syempre, there are so many disciplines involved in building project or architectural project. So we have we need the signature of the building officials sa City Hall, sa munisipyo. Siyempre, we need to get their approval. One, yung first to sign is yung land use and zoning. So yung building official in charge sa land use and zoning, he will check the plans if may violations. No, if your building or housing project is not in the right zone. Say yung zone, yung lot is hindi siya residential zone. Ano siya, commercial or industrial zone. Hindi ka pwede, you cannot build on that area. Then also we need to check the line and grade. This is referring to geotechnical survey siguro to. Or sa lupa, civil works. Then architectural, building architectural yun City Hall, city architect. He needs to check yung drawings ng architectural. No? And syempre meron din mga city engineers, yung civil structural, civil electrical. Hindi siya involved sa project but they will approve your project sa City Hall. These are the signatories. So you need to put a bar here. And of course, yung logo. Sa taas is yung Republic of the Philippines, Office of the Building Officials, and District, City, and Municipality. Say Quezon City or Manila. Then here, sheet number. This one will vary depending on the project and depending on how many disciplines involved. Dito magbabago nitong yung laman sa baba. This will vary. Example is yung kanina. Example is, hold on.
Ay, may ball egg dito sa mga. Okay?
Okay, so this is my example again, no? This is yung sa project ko, my title block is usually like this. So this is my say company. This is my architectural firm, yung logo ko. And then this is the engineer, owner. Actually, in this project, this is actually my boss in my office, Chiyoda, Philippines. So yung boss ko is the owner. Then siya yung owner, and then he will sign as the civil engineer, no? I don't know paano niya nagawa yon, pero hindi ko na kinontra kasi he was my boss, no, in Chiyoda. So nakipabor lang siya. And yun nga, abuse of authority, parang gano'n na. This project is parang almost, pro bono. Free of charge, almost. And then he actually signed, kasi it's pro bono, I will not sign, syempre, of course. Any problem, di ako liable. But this guy is a civil engineer. No? Again, yun nga ang masama, guys. Civil engineers is supposed not to, kasi ang masama kasi diyan, guys, is yung DPWH is under civil engineers. Mostly lahat ng tao diyan is civil engineers. So again, yung dapat mag-sign sa architectural, dapat is architectural lang. But again, nakakalusot kasi nga engineers malala ka sa DPWH. No, and sa City Hall, which should not be pangit kasi guys, ibang profession naman ng architectural it's totally different from civil. Okay, in this case siya yung structural engineer kasi nito kasi siya rin yung civil engineer. Ang profession niya is civil engineering. Okay. So, okay, can we start na? Your CAD is ready na? Can we start na? I will start na ha. I'll open my AutoCAD. Any questions so far, guys, sa title block? Otelo, may question ka, Otelo? Before we start, any question? Kasi guys, sigurado in your practice, you will do actually you need to do title block. Talagang importante 'yan. P-line, ito yung mga madalas mag-PM eh. P-line, mga makukulit. May question, P-line? Sino ba? Usually nag-message sa akin. Wala ata si Ria. Ito si Ria din. Antulihaw. Ria, you have
Sir?
question? May question ka? So far,
Wala po.
you can follow?
Yes po.
Oh, sige, ako magtatanong kung wala yung tanong, ha? Again, during our first meeting, at I was able to discuss, we have two spaces, di ba, in AutoCAD. Yung working space, guys, di ba? One is, kapag ganito logo, guys, can you now see my AutoCAD? Is it open? Can you see my AutoCAD, guys?
Opo, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
kapag ganito, so yung default, anong space yun? Di ba, usually dito tayo nag-drawing. What is this space? You will have online exam, guys. So, these are part of the online exam, Maybe I'll give in midterm or finals. What is this? Kapag ganito ang logo, meron kang X and then meron kang Y.
Model.
Model space. Sino nagtanong? Sino yun? Si Trixie? Trixie, ikaw nagsagot?
Opo.
Yes, very good, Trixie. Nakikinig. So, dito sa model space, this is the default space, working space. Dito ako nag-study. Dito ako nagda-drafting actually dito. Pero, again, dito sa space na to, walang mga text, walang dimensions. Supposed to be, dapat ganun, That is the right way. Yung right procedure. Pero, syempre, iba-ibang style. Yung iba, matigas ang ulo, or ewan ko. Kasi guys, ang drawings is to be shared to many discipline. Say architect, yung we're building project or housing project. Siyempre, ang normally mag-start niyan is architect. Diba? Sa kanya, from zero, from nothing, gagawin niya. No? Kaya dapat aware yung architect na maraming discipline ang gagawa din sa project niya. Kasi hindi namin kaya lahat actually. Kaya nga kayo specialist in one field. No? We need to help each other. You need to focus on one specialty. So, kaya nga meron tayong electrical engineer, meron tayong civil engineer. Civil engineer, hindi ka pwede mag-architectural, no? Ganun din naman ang architect. Actually, guys, hindi naman alam namin din yung medyo roughly yung trabaho nyo. Kasi kailangan namin maintindihan yung flow ng trabaho nyo, yung concept. Kasi we are designing buildings. Kaya we need to know electrical. Actually, we have subject, half semester, electrical. We know how to compute. And then, sa plumbing, 1 SEM. May subject na 1 SEM for plumbing. Then, sa structural, rough calculations lang. And then, BT, building technology. Medyo halo yan ng structural, iba-iba pang technology. Engineering, civil engineering, structural, halo lang. Pero, again, hindi kami specialist. Yan ang linya nyo. And the reason why we studied those electrical, mechanical, kasi nga, in building projects, we need to understand that magkakaroon kayo ng conflict. No? Kasi may interest ang electrical, may interest ang plumbing, may ang civil engineering. Kaya dapat yung architect ang magsasabi kung ano yung dapat masunod. Kasi magulo kung walang ganun Walang magle-lead. No? Then, in my company before, in Chiyoda, minsan ang lead is civil engineering. Nagle-lead. Minsan electrical engineering nagle-lead. Or minsan mechanical engineering ang nagle-lead. Pero yung mga lead, alam niya yung trabaho ng lahat. No? You should know. Before you can lead, you have to understand yung workflow and yung trabaho ng ibang disciplines. No? Okay, so ang reason ng model space, guys, is ganito na wala ako sa Isipin nyo na yung drawing nyo is gagamitin ng lahat ng discipline. Kaya, sa model space, walang maglalagay ng dimensions, ng text, yung drawing lang. Para i-share yung drawing na to, yung nasa model space, sa lahat. No? Kaya, yung title block natin, hindi natin dito ilalagay. Saan natin ilalagay? Ano yung opposite ng model space, Ria? Trixie pala, sorry, Trixie. Can somebody answer?
Paper space po ba?
Paper space. Very good, Roland. At least nakikinig sila. Okay, thank you. I appreciate, Thank you. So, yun doon, guys. So, yung electrical, siyempre, architectural ako. Yung title ba ko, ilalagay ko sa architectural. Ang command is tile mode, no, guys? Do you remember? Tile mode. So, yung model space is 1. Kapag gusto ko pumunta sa paper space, kasi magko-compose na tayo No, we will compose yung paper. Actually, itong model space, wala pang laman, Say, meron na siyang laman. Iwan ko na to. Say, yung laman niya is dito. Lagyan lang muna natin laman to, Lagyan ko muna ng laman. Rectangle lang. Or, kahit anong lagay ko, Sample lang naman, Circle. Kumang circle. Okay, say ganyan lang laman ko, Say, yan yung design ko. Say, ganun lang, kasimple, Then I will go to paper space, tile mode. 0, If you want to go to paper space, you have to have 0. So ito, this is the This one is yung viewport to butas. Butas to doon sa paper space. Ayan, Tinanggal ko mo yung butas. Kasi gagawa muna tayong title block muna gagawin natin, Understand, guys? Itong butas na to is para makita yung nasa model space. Ang tawag dito is viewport. Kasi pwede kang gumawa ng maraming butas para may say, papakita mo large scale yung isa is mag-zoom ka sa details. Yun ang purpose ng viewport. Kaya, very effective ang paper space. Ang ganda ng use ng paper space. Kasi diyan ka nagko-compose ng drawing mo. Kasi may mga drawings na malalaking scale. Kasi ang scale is 1:100. No? Yung ano, then meron mga details, you need to show details. Kaya mag-zoom in ka doon, yung using ibang butas, ang zoom in scale mo is 1:5. Mas malaki ang detail siya eh. So you need to show yung mag-zoom siya, i-zoom niya yon. Doon sa viewport na yon, magiging dalawa ng viewport. Yung isa is 1:100, then yung details is 1:5. So yun ang purpose. This drawing default ang isa lang viewport. Ito yung butas oh. Pwede mong palitin. May stretch yan, no? Pwede mong palakihin. No? Pwede mong kopya. Kasi maraming kang papakita, no? And different scale nga. Yung isa yung 1:100, yung isa yung 1:5. I will teach you later on. Huwag muna today. This is not the top. Title block muna ngayon. Okay, we proceed now to, again, paper size. Ano bang paper size? Anong gusto niyo gamitin? A1 na? Wala nang gumagamit ng 20 by 30, no? So we can start with A1 na lang. Ito. Again, what is the size? Can somebody give me the size of A1 paper? Anybody can answer?
841 by 9 by 594.
Yes. So this is yung X. Tama pagkakasabi niya. Sino yun? Nagsasabi nun?
Ako po, sir.
Sino? Si Trixie. Attentive. Okay. Very good, Trixie. So again, ang para gawin to, what is the command? Trixie. What command do you use to do the rectangle yun, di ba? Yung you gave me dimensions, ano? That is rectangular. So what is the command?
Rectangle po.
Rectangle. Very good. Tama po. Sini-check lang kita, ha? Ang starting point, again?
00
Correct.
po.
0. Thank you. Okay, 0. Yun, tama siya, oh. Pero again, and then what is the size? Yung other corner is how much? 841 by 594. Thank you po. Oh guys, tingnan niyo. Yung actual size ng paper is, yung default size ng paper is maliit. This is ano kasi default ng AutoCAD yan. No? So ito yung ano niya. Ito yung A1 size paper. Tanggalin ko muna itong butas. Ano? I'll erase the butas muna, no, guys. Tanggalin ko muna ito, no? Hindi pa naman natin kailangan eh. Different topic yan. So ito kasi yung zoom, yung plotting scale niya. Kaya nandito lang siya. No? I-disregard nyo lang to. This is the paper size. Okay? What else? And then we check the title block, yung ano ulit, yung sizes. Building code. Where is the building code? Nasaan building code ko? Sinarado ko ata. Ito sinarado. Okay, again, this one, ano? Okay. So, what is next? So, meron na tayong 841 by 594, ano? This one. What is next? Anong command kaya? Siyempre, guys, anong next step natin? Anong sa tingin nyo gagawin? Meron na tayo itong line na to, yung outer. Sa paper, meron na. So, what is the next?
Offset po.
Offset. Yes. Offset by how much, tama ka. Maritoni. By how much?
45 po.
45.
Yung sa ano po?
One side lang
Ay,
yun.
ano po ba?
One side.
One side po, apo.
Oo. Okay, sige. Pero we need, yung rectangle kanina, we need to explode. Ayun, may bagong command. Kasi iba-iba sukat ng margins, ano? Thank you, Maritoni, ha? Galing. Yan, just checking na sumusunod kayo, ha? Participate, guys, ha? Okay, so this one, this one is a rectangle, no? So it's a P line. Actually, siya polyline siya. A rectangle is a polyline, ano? Polygon. Polygon siya. So usually, ano siya, one entity siya. So you need to explode. Yun ang command sa explode. Tingnan mo to, lilist ko ha, isang entity to. One found, no? One entity or one object. So we need to explode yung rectangle, explode. Select mo lang. So ngayon, four entities na siya, no? 4 lines. No, this one. So now, tama si Maritoni, we can now offset. Ang command, ano? Offset. Offset by how much, Maritoni? 45, 1.5 inch. 45 mm. Ayun, tama si Maritoni. What else, Maritoni? How much?
Sir, di ko po kita yung yung screen po na isa.
Hindi makita. Yung AutoCAD ko?
Hindi pa
yung
yung pag-base, yung po.
yung building code. Hindi niyo makita.
Opo.
Okay, this one.
25.
So, 25. So, that is 25 na, no? Tama, 25. Very good. So, 25. So, anong diferensya nito, guys? Dito, so meron mga extra lines, di ba? Paano mababawas yung extra lines? What command? You have to trim, tama. Or, pwedeng trim, ano? You have 2 options. So, trim, tama si, sinunod. Tisha? Tisha ba nagsabi? Tisha, okay. Thank you, Tisha. So, trim, tama si Tisha. Trim, tama? And what else? Anong pang option natin?
Fillet.
Ha? Anong isang command pa? Sige, try muna natin yung trim.
Fillet po.
Delay, tamang galing naman. May background ka ba yun? Dati yung tinuro ko pa. Ito, this is trim. So, yung isang sinasabi ni Tisha is fillet.
Sir, si Trixie po yun.
Trixie pala. Trixie? Sorry ha? Okay.
Okay lang po.
Okay. But yung guys hindi nagpa-participate. Otelo lang. Yung iba hindi. Iba na talaga mga babae ngayon, no? Kahit sa Archie, guys, mga babae magagaling. Ba't kayo ganyan? Balik ka na mundo. So this is fillet. Actually, I prefer fillet. Okay din naman ng kaso mas mabilis. Yung latest version ng AutoCAD, tinanggal yung selection options eh. Automatic na agad. No need to select yung border. No need to select. Ano na siya, automatic na. So may little adjustment lang from old version sa latest version. Tricia, may background noise. Hindi nagsasalita, Tricia. Okay, good. Sige, I'll ask somebody. Anong next? We have the borders na. What else? Iba naman. Guys, sige, sagot naman yung ibang guys.
Offset po ulit, sir, para po dun sa title lang.
Okay, thank you, Roland. Tama si Roland. Offset ng ilan? Which one?
40 po.
40. This one, ano? Tama. Thank you, Roland. Offset 40. Okay, very good. Now, what else? So, in my... Wait. Wala dito, no? In my sample, sa building code, walang spacing yung iba, no? Hindi naka-indicate yung spacing. So I guess we will use, meron ako isa. Hold on, I'll just look for the file. Hindi kompleto dimensions nito eh. Okay, ito muna isa. Lagyan natin ito isa. 80, no? Next is 80. Okay. Yung sa mga building officials, yung title block ng building officials. Kasi they need to sign. In every discipline, they need to sign. Yung mga taga-munisipyo. Kapag hindi ka naglagay, hindi ka sasignan. Ganyan ang patakaran sa labas. Kapon yung mga walang yung mga tao kahit yung sa daan. Kapon na kinuha yung lisensya ko. Ang kulit. Trap talaga guys eh. Sa Ortigas. Sa Green Hills. Ang mga walang yung tao nga. Talagang hinaalis sa corruption. Ang liit na mistake. Gano'n kukunin yung license mo. Okay, so now for the title block, for this one, I'll open my drawing card drawing na lang. Bakit walang instruction sa taas Walang measurement yung iba, no? Kasi it will depend on every office may standard na sarili. Then title block.
Sir, may tanong po.
Okay, Sir Roland, tama?
Opo.
Yes.
Okay lang po ba sa model space muna po ako gumawa, tas mamaya i-paper space ko na lang po?
Pero pwede rin naman. Ibali pa paano mo gagawin? Kakat and paste mo?
Opo.
Pwede din yun. Depende siya. Pero bakit mo pa gagawin sa model space? Pwede mo na idiretso.
Nalilito po
Parang
ako. May mga grid line po na...
May grid lines doon sa CAD mo.
Opo.
Pwede naman, oo. Pwede naman. Napapatay naman yung grid lines eh. Sa options. Pwede mo patayin yung mga grid lines na yun sa options eh.
Sige po, sir.
O doon lang guys, hanapin ko lang yung drawing first, yung mismo. Okay, iba pang size. Saan ba yung margins? Hanapin ko lang guys yung medieval ha. Hold on. Sige, mag-assume na lang ako, no? I'll just make na lang. No nito, no? Ano na lang, improvise na lang tayo. Hindi ko makita yung file eh. Madali lang naman to. So we copy this one, no? Say this one, instead of my name, syempre lalagay natin is Adamson. Adamson title block or logo. Logo ng title ng Adamson. I'll just Google. Wala na. Google ko lang guys yung Adamson logo. Download ko lang sa saglit. Adamson logo. Then actually guys, you can insert here. On your drawing, you can insert yung logo, any logo. Desktop. Okay, meron na. Okay, divide muna natin to. How many spaces ba kailangan? Columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Just, we improvise na. Gawin na lang natin saglit. Okay, hold on. So, say 100. Yung Adamson logo. 100. Adjust na lang natin mamaya later on, ha? Then yung architect's name or engineer's name. Then yung RA5, yung law. Okay, 50. 100. This one is offset. Yung sheet number is, say, 50. And here is yung mga revisions and revisions, say, 150. Move ko yan to guys, move. Okay. Insert natin yung Adamson logo. Insert, no. Insert picture. Can you see guys, no? Here you can insert pictures or raster image ang tawag niya. So I already downloaded yung Adamson logo on my desktop. Here is the Adamson logo. Hindi ko naman makita. Saan yung nilagay? Ayun, Adamson. Okay, so insertion is, nagtatanong siya, I inserted na, insertion is this corner. Then yung size niya is here. Ganyan. So medyo mas malaki, no? Reduce natin yung size. Download niyo yun sa internet guys, yung yung Adamson logo. I-google niyo na Adamson logo. So yung margin, I need to adjust this margin, anong mali siya. Move here to here. Okay? So basta masunod is yung 40. No? And then here we have a bar here, 20, say 15. Lang pa. 10 lang. Offset 10 here. I'll give you that dimensions mamaya. Para hindi kayo mahirapan sa paggawa. Okay, so we have now yung ito, ilan po ba? Sheet content, wala pa tayong sheet content. Okay. Move ko pa to. Maload pa eh. Okay, I think we can we can now put the text command. Hindi po ba kayo guys? Okay, hold on na. Okay, I'll check for muna yung dimensions niya kung tama lahat, ano? The dimension horizontal. I will just check yung mga dimensions natin ginawa. Yung makita dimensions, I need to increase. Beam style. Yung dimensioning will be different topic ngayon, not today, no? I'm just checking muna yung distances, yung mga, modify ko to. Text size height is 3. Usually 3. Okay. Masyadong mahaba, Text style again. Dimension style. Modify again. Precision is 0. Okay. Na tayo eh. So I need to put, I will remove yung 00 dito. In your plate, no need to put dimensions, guys. Pero pwede nyo rin gawin para just to check. And practice na kayo for ng dimensioning. Laking pa natin, hindi masyado makita eh. Dimension style. Text height is 6'5". Ano na 5 siguro. Okay, then yung yung tick mark, wala pang tick mark. This one should be 2. Okay, so ito na. Outside. Okay. This should be above, usually above siya. And then text is lines is okay na siguro. I will again, yung dimensions will be done separately, no. Wag not today. Beam vertical. Check lang natin mga dimensions para madali na ang gawin later on. Okay. Vertical. And last. Okay, then this one and up to here. Ilan no? Mali ako. Yeah. Beam horizontal vertical. Beam horizontal. Okay, sundan na lang muna natin to, no? Say 165, ano? Horizontal. Here is what? 150. You can take note na, no, para hindi na kayo mahirapan sa paggawa. 150 siya. Nagkakadi ba kayo guys? O hindi muna? Pwede niyo nang gawin today para wala na akong iisipin. Sasabit nyo na lang. Pwede nyo na ako sabayan. Kung may card kayo dyan, you can follow me na. Wala isang beam horizontal. So this one is the sheet number. Okay. Wala pa tayo ito. 80. This is 80. Beam horizontal. And it's what else? This one, yung bar, no? Wala pa kayo ng bar. Beam vertical. 10. I think 10. Beam continuous. Pero CEO, continuous. Okay. Hindi siya na, hindi siya nag-snap. Okay. Okay, so right now, ito muna gagamitin natin dimensions, Hopefully, tutugma to dito. What is the next step? Yung text na. No, we have here engineer. Pwede nyo ilagay engineer or designer or architect. No? Zoom in. So here, on the first one, we can put engineer or architect, depending on the project or on your discipline. So if you're drawing electrical, we need to put electrical engineer here. Then yung mga indicated is PTR number, PRC number, no? Ito yung number niya. Ito yung, not my number, hindi ko ilalagay muna. Then yung mga presidential decree. Can you follow, guys? Any question? Can we start na text? Anong command, guys, for the text? Any question? Otelo? Sino ba? Baka wala na kayo. Andiyan pa ba kayo, guys?
Sir, pwede po patingin po ulit ng mga dimension.
Okay. Ito, for now, pwede naman ito mag-change. Wala namang rule dito eh. No, ito lang yung suggestion ko, yung mga dimensions here. These are my suggestions. But yung yung sa building code, you must follow those. Yung 40, yung 25, yan yung kailangan natin follow. But yung content, yung inside, pwedeng it's flexible. You can change. Hindi ako magpid yan. Ito sa gitna. But you can use na if you want. You can use na. Any more? Meron pang tanong? At hindi specified sa building code, huwag natin ilagay. Pwede tayo mag-change. Ito 80 is specified to, kailangan masunod dyan 80. Dito hindi pa natin nalalagay, How many ba yung kanina? Ito, next command, guys. Bagong command din. Ilan? How many disciplines ito? We divide, we have line here. How many can we divide? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We need to divide this bar. Meron tayong line here. Anong command, guys, to divide? Siyempre, divide. Okay, ang dali guys ng AutoCAD eh. It's very, very easy kasi it's English. English yung mga command, divide. Select na the object. Select item to divide, This line. How many? How many segments?
11.
11. Thank you.
11 po.
Okay. So here, nag-divide siya. Actually, hindi na dinivide yung mismong line. But naglagay siya ng mga points. No? Default ng AutoCAD, yung points you cannot see. You can change the points here, yung format ng point. Meron na siya nilagay yung AutoCAD, nag-divide tayo, di ba? So, naglagay siya ng mga points kasi hindi natin makita. Kasi yung default ng AutoCAD, yung default niya, point style, ito na point style, is ito. So, hindi mo makikita. Para makita mo, you need to change. Here. Ito maganda makita para makita kagad. X. Did you see, guys? Clear ba?
Opo, sir.
Divide, and then yung point style. You can go to the menu, dito sa format, and then point style. Or you can just point style. Paano pa command nun? Point style. I'm not sure about the command, no? Tingnan natin. P-style. I don't know the command, but you can just press the menu. Point style. Ito. Or you can change, kung gusto mo ito, pwede rin. No, but usually, ito is enough. This is enough for me. And then, since meron na tayong guide kung saan nilalagay mga, divided na siya evenly, no? Even ang pagkakadivide niya, we can just now put the line. So, saan tayo magpuput ng line? Node. Node is a point. Node siya, no? Node. And then perpendicular. Okay? Okay? Perpendicular. Kasi hindi ata naka-snap. Yung snap ko is hindi kasama yung node. Tingnan mo, no? Pero kapag sinama natin yung node, automatic na yan. No need to specify. And then perpendicular. No? Okay, again. Line. Then, nag-snap na siya, guys. Hindi na ako naglagay ng node. Automatic na. Matic. Then perpendicular. Okay, guys? And did you follow? Kaya minsan, ginagamit rin as insertion point yung mga points, nodes. Then you can just copy na lang to, mga line. Para mas mabilis, just copy na lang, simply copy. I'll select to na para mabilis. And then we can erase na the points. No need for the point, no? After using the point, you can erase kasi hindi naman siya kailangan talaga eh. It's just a guide. And gumugulo yung drawing kapag may mga points. Basura siya actually. Hindi mo na kailangan eh. So you can throw away or delete. Okay, clear. Kompleto na tayo. Ang kulang na lang is yung text. No? So what is the command for text? D-text. Okay? D-text ang command, ano? D and text. D-text. So, starting point, humingi siya ng starting point is here. So, itong starting point natin dito sa ano na to. Then, specify the height. So, ano mo na-chat ko usually 3. In AutoCAD, usually 3. Kasi mm ang ginagamit natin, pwede 3. Or pwede 4 or 5. Kasi alam mo na yung size ng bar, di ba? Size ng bar is 10. So, below siya doon. Yung text mo dapat is below. 10. So, I choose 3. Tingnan natin kung enough na yung 3. Rotation is 0. Pwede mo siya i-rotate eh. Pwede siyang naka-angle yung mga text mo. Pwede yon. But this one is 0 lang tayo. Okay? So, I'll enter here, architect. Should all capital, guys, kasi technical drawing, we always use capital letters, architect. / engineer, pwede yan. Okay. Oh, malaki pa lang ginawa ko, no? Okay, yun na. So, medyo maliit. No? And then you have to move this one. So, since maliit po, kasi 3 lang yung ginamit ko, pwede mo increase. Properties mo na lang. Properties. Nasa yung properties ko? This one. So you can increase now here. Yung height. Gawin natin 5. Okay. Okay, follow guys. Okay na, no? And you have to fill up all. Lagyan natin isa lang na lagyan natin masyado malaki. I'll put, since engineering na lagyan natin na engineer. And then we can copy na all the text. Then guys, always use yung insertion point para align lahat ng text natin. No, always use insertion point and points. And here in the intersection or perpendicular. Okay. Guys, while moving, yung isang move, command ko move. While moving, nag-apostrophe P ako para makapag-pan. Apostrophe P. And then I'll just enter. Here. Here. Naka-perpendicular siya. Easy. Okay, and then simply edit na lang to. Sheet number. Here is revision number. Sheet content. This one is what? What is this one? Makita na wala yung may isang drawing. Here. So this one, ito is ano lang to, architectural to, lo. No need to label that one. This one is no need. Green. P. So this here is a number. Project title and then owner. Project title. And owner. Medyo palaki natin ito. Guys, medyo maliit ng konti na i-adjust ko lang ito. Say this one should be, nag-change ako ng dimension, mas importante ang sheet content. Mas malaki dapat ang sheet content. ST. Sketch. This one, I'm using stretch, no? I-adjust ko lang itong isang line, itong isang cell. Stretch. Stretch by 25. Kasi mas malaki dapat ang sheet content. And then, yung owner, dapat malaki din ito eh. Masyado malaki yung engineer. This one, I'll adjust, ilan ba ito? 19. 19. And okay, I think okay na to guys. Pwede na yan. So this is the dimensions, Ay kulang pa mga additional dito sa baba. Hold on. Yung address sa baba, mga 10 din siguro. Lagay tayo ng mga address dito. Project title. Ilan ba natira? Or 15. You can say 15. 7.5. 7.5. Green. Okay, what else? Tingnan natin nga. Okay, tama, 4 lang. So, dito sa revisions, meron kang nakalagay 3 columns. 3 columns. Sheet content. Dito sheet content, pwedeng wala na siguro. Here, wala, kahit wala na. This one, meron ka dapat columns. 10. Actually, it depends on the project, ano, may mga standards dito. Ayun, nakalagay. Date and description. Number and date and description. Number and date description. 15. Okay. I think we need to increase this one. I'll increase, ano, I'll get, kasi important ang revision number. And then may description pa siya. I will increase by 20 dapat. Kukuha ko dito ng 20. Stretch, guys, ang command ko stretch, ha. Stretch. I'll offset by, kukuha ko ng 20 sa kabila. And then kukuha ko dito sa kabila ng, masyado malaki at ando ko. Stretch by 5. Then I'll stretch here by 31. Ganun na lang. So guys, ito na lang. Tama lang to. And we need to have labels here. Madali lang guys ang title baka so medyo marami. So we need to practice this one. You have 1 week naman to do it. Actually, today you can finish this one. Madali lang ito. What are the disciplines?
Sir, tanong
Okay,
po.
language. What? Dictate nyo na lang sa akin.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, si Ria. Ria, ano yung tanong mo?
Sir, paano po ulit maglagay
Ria,
ng line
hello.
after... Sir? Sir, hello?
Yes, ano yun?
Sir, paano po ulit maglagay
Paano
ng
maglagay
line after
ng-
ma-change yung point style?
Yes, Ria, naririnig kita.
Na-change na po yung point style. Ano po ulit after nun? Yung sa pag-divide ng line.
Divide and line. Nagkanila ako, line command. Then, meron kang insertion point nun eh. Diba, we will use the, di ba after dividing, magkakaroon ng mga points. No?
Yes po.
Dependent na
Opo.
yung points is, you cannot see the points. So, you have to change the, yung point style. Nasa menu. I'll show you AutoCAD. Ito, under format, meron ka ditong point style. Point style, this one. Okay. Ang default na AutoCAD is this one. Point talaga. Hindi mo makikita. No, it's very difficult to see the point. That's why I changed it to, pwede namang ito, o ito. No? Ngayon, in-erase ko na yung points kasi natapos na ako nagamit ko na siya. I erased. Yes, Maria?
Kasi paano po yung line after po niyan? Node po ba yun?
Nakuha mo?
Node po ba yung next, sir?
Yung node. Yes, yung point is node. Tama. Node. Doon ka mag-snap. Snapping ka sa node. I-on mo yun sa OSNAP.
Opo.
OSNAP node. Ito. Yan, node. Tama. Tanggalin ko lang kasi nakakagulo lang eh. Tatlo lang kasi ginagamit ko kasi kapag marami, nakakagulo lang. So, ang favorite ko is yung tatlo. Kasi very seldom you use snapping yung points. No, very, very seldom. Kanina lang. Yung perpendicular, hindi ko masyado ginagamit ang perpendicular. Okay? Kaya you have to learn yung how to use yung OSNAP. Okay, Ria?
Apo, sir.
Anything
Thank
more?
you po.
Sino pang gusto magtanong? Si Otelo, magagaling to si Otelo eh. Cool na cool eh, hindi nagtatanong oh.
Sir, ako po.
Kapag hindi na nagtatanong, ang gagaling na siguro. No? Okay, Paolo Castro. Sige po.
Sir, paano po mag-add ng text? Na-disconnect po kasi ako kanina.
Okay, just ang command is dtext.
D-text. Yung
Dtext. Yung font, no need to, yung default na lang muna. No need to change muna yung font.
Okay po, sir. Thank
Okay, ito na, dtext. Then, ang una niyang tatanong sa'yo, after entering dtext, ang tanong ng AutoCAD is yung insertion point. No? So, you need to specify yung insertion point. Say dito. Then, yung height. Kanina nag-assume ako 3. Pinalaki ko ng 5. 3, depende sa sa drawing mo. But usually sa mga text sa dimensions, it's 3 lang. Dito parang malaki pa, dapat to 3 lang talaga eh. We can change back na lang. I'll try to change again ha. Masyado malaki yung 5 eh. Tanggalin ko mga lines. Properties. Ito, you can change the height of the text sa properties. Just change here. Height should be 3 lang dapat eh. No? Ganyan. Move na lang natin. Move previews. Okay, so yung iba, lagyan natin text ng iba. Yung iba is here, number, CP. Edit is ED. Guys, yung edit is DDE or DD edit. Pwedeng, ED lang, edit. Edit yung laman is ED or DDE. So, this one is number. Glass. CP, copy lang. No? Kapag meron ka na, copy mo na lang. Date here and description. So here is, or pwede mo na i-double click. If you want to edit, just double click on the text. Ang daming ways ng AutoCAD. Kaya mabilis talaga eh. Create. And this one is description. Okay, yun. Okay. And here, we have to, guys, pwede nyo dictate. Somebody dictate. Ano muna dito? Line and grade, ano? Line and grade. Next is what? Civil? Civil and structural ba yan? Can you dictate? Ay, wala pala. No? Wala pala ang kopya. Sorry. Structural. Sorry ha. Okay, we'll just look. Kung kunti kayo ngayon guys, 26 lang. Marami absent. So you have to upload yung video natin. Actually, it's not allowed. Ang instruction ng Dean. It's not allowed. Pero for you, para sa inyo to yung video. I'm allowing now in my class. Pwede nyo i-record. Ano yung kanina? Okay, so this one line and grade, architectural, civil, okay. Kabisado ko na. Okay. Pwede naman iba-iba eh. CP. This one should be architectural yung una. Yung una yung dapat. This one is architectural. And sanitary. Tama ba? Electrical mula, mechanical, sanitary. Electrical, mechanical, sanitary. Plumbing. What else? Electronics and geodetic engineer. Okay, yun na lang. Electronic and geodetic engineer. May geodetic dito sa class, di ba? So, again, lahat kayo magagamit to. Electronics and geodetic. Wrong spelling pa ako. And geodetic. Geodetic. Complete na ba? Geodetic engineer, sa engineer sa. Pwede na yan. And then, siyempre yung sa taas. Republic of the Philippines, Office of Building Officials. Okay, here. Saka natin palitin, Republic of the Philippines, Office of Building Officials pa. Office of the Building Official. Okay, then just center it na lang. Kapag hindi kasya, we can reduce the size. Properties. Select and then change the size to 3 or 4. 4 na lang. Ano ulit? 4. 4 is okay. Medyo hindi pa rin kasya. Yung isa hindi pa rin kasya. Parehas sila hindi kasya. 3.5. And then yung size 3. Okay, 3. Up to you guys. Basta meron siya pangalan. Iba, no need to change na ito siguro. Pwede natin change din. 4 na lang siguro. Ano ang kulang dito? Parang may kulang. Parang may kulang. Hold on ha. Excuse me guys ha. Time out muna guys ha. Hello? Daddy, may klase ako ha. Ano po yun? Hindi, okay na. Nag-time out muna ako sa klase ko. Nagpaalam naman ako. Sa Mandaluyong ba yun? Oo, parang gana. Ano ba? May pabibili kayo doon? Oo. Hello guys, sorry po ha. Pasensya na kayo guys ha. Kasi family ko alam niyo na isolated lahat ngayon Naririnig niyo ako guys? Guys?
Yes po.
Yes.
Thank you for waiting ha. Thank you po so much. And pasensya na, isolated lahat. Yung anak ko, nandun sa UST. Yung lolo ko, yung tatay ko, nasa province. And once they called, may important bagay ha. Ang hirap na situation natin ngayon guys, kaya kayo, mag-aral kayo mabuti ha. Kayo ang future generation ng Pilipinas. And wag na kayong dadagdag sa mga bobo, tanga. Ang hirap. Kaya tayo nagkakaproblema ganito kasi yung mga trabaho dati peke. Puro charity. And lalo na sa profession natin, technical tayo, kailangan sharp ang isip. And masipag. Para hindi lumala. Wag na natin palalayan ng situation. Maraming tao sa mundo. And itong pandemic ito is parang parusa sa atin talaga. And mabawasan yung flow. Yung traffic, yung flow ng tao. Activity. Sobrang sikip na lahat So, any more question guys? I think it's all complete na. It's very easy lang guys. It's marami lang. But it's a good exercise. No, and it's very important. Yung title block is always important. And I want you to save yung ginawa yung title block. We will use this one in other drawings. I will teach you how to plot yung pen assignments. And then yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, composition. No, merong large scale, 1:100, merong 1:5 detail. I will teach you all. Yung actual practice. Yung ginagawa talaga sa reality. Kasi mababaw yung papagawa mga P-line. Yung binigay sa instruction Mababaw yun. Ito is actual. You will use these things. Anything more before I leave? Anong oras na ba? Meron pa ba kayong gustong malaman? Or magpo 4 o'clock na? Otelo? Ria?
Sir,
Ria, meron pa tanong? Sige po.
yung
Sige
yung
po.
dimension po ng mga text, ilan po
Ito,
yun?
i-print ko to and then I will send sa Blackboard.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Pero you don't need, lang to, pwede nyong ilagay, pwedeng hindi. Up to you. No? Dimensions is parang guide ko lang. Pero pwedeng practicein nyo, ilagay nyo na rin para maganda. Easy to check.
Yung po sir, yung nilalagyan ng engineer, architect, yun pong mga lines doon. Ilan po
okay,
yung,
po.
doon?
Medyo mali lang ako na may natirang isa. Ba't may kulang ba ako? Line and grade,
Ay,
architecture.
hindi po.
Ano kulang mo dito? At parang ang dami ng sa akin. Sobra ata ako ng cell Hindi ata dapat 11 guys 10 lang dapat Guess nyo, may mali ako sobra May sobrang isang cell. Nakita nyo guys? May sobra ako So yung mali yung pagkaka-divide ko kanina, Ria So yung division, you have to follow this one mali ako. I'll recheck So I have architectural, civil, structural, electrical, mechanical, sanitary, plumbing. So kompleto. Sobra na isa. So I have to change this one. Divide, Ria. 10 lang pala dapat.
Sige po sir.
Ayun. So yan yung dapat na lugar. Mumove ko lang. Okay lang magkamila. Tao Tao lang tayo, Nakakulong din kayo guys, Alam niyo, okay lang makulong para gulo ng labas. Ang daming walang yung tao ngayon sa kalsada. And mayroon pa naman kayo social, pwede naman kayo mag-connect through social media. Mga walang yan tao. Puro manluloko na nasa labas. Okay, I corrected na, no? So, ganoon guys, kapag may kamali, madali. Yun ang maganda sa AutoCAD eh. Yung advantage niya is yung editing. No, it's easy. And malinis ang papel. Kasi kung magkamali ka sa papel, ang i-erase mo, then may mark pa rin yun. Unlike sa AutoCAD, you can create any mistake, you can revise anytime, you can revise anytime, delete anytime, or add something, or revise. Madali. No? And you can use the drawing so many times. Ito title block na to, you can use so many times. No? Kaya itatago nyo yung gagawin nyo. Again, yung Adamson, you have to download yung logo ng Adamson, ha? And what else? And dito guys, I want you to put your picture. Nakita niyo dito? I'll insert now my picture. Tingnan ko natin, ha? I want to show, so dito, ilalagay niyo dito name nyo. Say, Engineer Ria Antulihaw. Lagay mo dito, engineer, ha? Nakalagay na. Future engineer, kung ayaw nyo na engineer. Lagay nyo na, future engineer. Ria Antulihaw. Then, I want your picture here. Yung pinaka-best picture nyo, guys, ha? Ito, lagay nyo lang. Again, how to insert picture is this one here. Raster image. Then, I'll try to find a picture of mine. Ewan kung meron. Picture ba ako dito? Hindi ko alam yung picture eh. Wait, saan ba? Kasi ito na ang dog ko. May picture of my dog. Kaya makita picture eh. Yung isa wife ko, this is my wife ko eh. So ganun, guys, ano? So, i-trim nyo na, then you can adjust itong line na to. You can adjust. Sumobra siya sa margin, ano? So, we can make this one smaller. Yan, dyan. And then, here, yung line dito, we can just move na lang. Wala namang, you can stretch this one. Yes. Ganun. Lumaki siya. Anyway, you get my point, ano? So, you just, ano, sige nga, ulitin natin, ang kulit ng aso. Oh. Okay. Okay, I think it's done now already. So your name, you put your name, Yung project title kahit hindi na kasi we don't have any project title. Ano, na? Owner, wala din. So, yun lang. Your name na, I want your name and picture and Adamson logo. So, that's all. Then, ito title box, requirements ng ano. Then, this one I can erase na. Okay, so thank you for attending today class. Meron pa ba question? Wala na. Baka wala na iba. Paula, meron pa bang question? Si Roland? Dalawang kayo, Paula. Can you on your screen, guys, attendance for attendance? Kindly turn on your screens. I'll stop presenting na. Attendance po tayo, guys. Sorry. Nawala na kanina, tinawag ko. Siguro walang computer yon. Feline. Wala ang camera, Feline. Iba, walang camera. Tricia. Yun, si Ria, nandiyan na. Maritoni, tahimik ngayon si Maritoni yan. Lexi, camera mo, kindly on. Attendance, guys. Jerome. Cardi, Andrew. Joaquin, walang camera. Parang wala itong mga sa upuan nila. Angela, Rain. Parang walang camera yung iba. Hindi nagre-reply o wala sa upuan. Adjust ko lang yung screen ha, ay yung layout. Ano pala? Kukunti lang tayo, no? 23 lang. Okay. On the count of 3 ha. I'll count 1, 2, 3 ha. Yun si Tisha, meron ng camera. Ginaw na camera niya. Okay, on the count of 3 ha. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? I'll check. Si Paula. Okay, isa pa bang picture? Okay na yan. May nadagdag ba? Teka, may nadagdag ata eh. I'll take 2. May mga nadagdag. Then save ko lang yung una. I'll save yung first one. Scan. Today is October 14, 2020. Okay, what else? Okay, take 2. Camera, guys. Pili nila ako ng panibagos. Pilin, wala pa rin, no? Take 2. On the count of 3, ha? 1, 2, and 3. Smile. Ayaw ng ibang mag-smile. Okay, thank you po so much. And take care, ha? And be safe. One
Thank
week.
you, sir.
Thank you po, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you,
Bye po.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye po.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Bye, sir.